Here's how you can purchase a GEMS node. Head over to gems.vip and click Nodes and Miners in the top menu. Click Get Your GEMS node to enter the node page. Enter the amount of nodes you wish to purchase. GEMS nodes can only be paid for with GEMS tokens, so make sure you have enough GEMS to complete the purchase and enough ETH for gas fees. Click Connect Wallet at the top of the page and choose your wallet provider. Then follow the steps in your wallet to give your wallet permissions and confirm the connection. Make sure to carefully review the disclaimer before entering your email address, checking all 3 confirmation boxes and clicking Continue. Review your transaction details and click Buy. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased your GEMS node.